Sup, bros? Blockchain Joe here. I've been having a lot of thought leaders reach out to me out of sheer distress and hopelessness over this whole FTX token debacle. What I'm going to tell you here today is a foolproof way how to get your FTX out of the FTX token and back out into the open market into a safer coin like Peanut Coin. So the first thing you have to do is, you got to concentrate real hard like this, and then you will the token out of its current situation and into a cryptocurrency of your choosing. I personally recommend Peanut Coin, so we're gonna, engage in this joint exercise here. Real p p p k k t da da da.
Sup, bros? Blockchain Joe here. So I touched the cloud at the, I guess it was a TikTok convention, I don't even know. And now, what stupidity is on my face. Let me call, I'm really ashamed to do this, but let me just call Crypto Bro real quick. Hold on, let me just, alright.
For social media with vernacular content using influence connected with the audience, generate sustained digital leads. Well done.
What does that even mean? That guy's always been weird. That thing with the pony, it made me highly suspicious. Alright, let me try and contact Uncle AI.
Engagement over social media with vernacular content and using influencers to connect with the audience, generate and sustain digital leads. Well done.
Why? Alright, bros, I think I understand I think I understand where I am now. Sup, bros? Blockchain Joe here. I don't even know what this is. I appear to be in the, I don't know what this is. Potentially it's the SoundCloud verse. What do people do? It's a toilet in a bathroom. What do people do on SoundCloud? Do they shout? No, that's illegal. You can't do that. Towel. Alright. Okay. I think I heard about this from my fellow thought leader nephew. You got to I think it's you got to rap. So I gotta get my rapper body on. Alright, there we go. And I guess. Why am I in the social media verse? This is really, truly the worst. Alright, I'm gonna try and deliver a rap and these stupid sunglasses. Anyway, alright, so if I deliver a rap, I'm hoping that I can at least get out of here, and I guess the biggest challenge is engaging with a thought leader rap. Who would know how to do some thought leader rap leadership? Uncle AI, do you have any? Let me FaceTime him. I just can't just. All right, bro. Uncle AI, do you have any raps that I can use potentially to escape the multiverse?
Engagement over social media with vernacular content and using influencers to connect with the audience, generate and sustain digital leads. Well done.
Wait, what? I gotta do it now? Alright, let me try. Oh god. I'm getting stage fright here. Alright. I guess the stakes are quite high. Oh god, I mean, look at these lyrics, there's so much. Alright, I'm ready. Alright, I can deliver this thought leadership. Engagement over social media with vernacular content and using influencers like Blockchain Joe, connected with an audience, generating and sustaining digital leads. As they say, well done.